In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a zoom background on Canva, a zoom background on Canva. So you are going to open your Canva. Let me search for our Canva. Okay, open your Canva. You going to create a new design. Then search for your zoom background. Zoom background. Then send. So you're going to switch, is it a zoom video background that you wanted to use or a zoom virtual background? So I'm going to switch to take a zoom virtual background. Okay guys, I'm showing you how to create a zoom background on Canva. So you can choose any templates that you want for your background. So I'm going to choose this background now for my zoom background. Then I will customize this background easily. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.